Hello. Now it's time for you to do some math practice pages. Please know that you can follow the directions that I'm giving you by listening. Before we get started, you need to make sure you have your tools. One of your tools is a pencil. Along with your pencil, you should have a packet, and the first sheet of your packet should look like what you have here. Keep in mind, if you need to listen to the directions again, please stop and rewind. If you need to move forward, of course, you can toggle the button at the bottom so that you can move forward. But let's go ahead and get started. At the top of this page, that's Miss Jones moving her hand left to right. It looks like an arrow. I want you to put your name here at the top of your paper. Once you have your name, let's go ahead and begin. The question is, I love to play tennis. My friends love to play golf. Count the number of golf balls. There are blank golf balls. So here are your golf balls. You need to count those. Once you count those, you need to show how many you counted right here on this line. Let's move to the next question. The next question asks that you put your name as well. This is a counting exercise. It all relates to the pictures that you see in front of you. So I'll enhance the pictures a little bit so that you can see them a little more clearly. First question, how many stars are in the house? How many of these stars are in this house? You count how many stars you see that look just like this, and you put your result here. You put your answer here. Ms. Jones is looking for a number of stars. Question 2, how many boxes are in the house? So you need to look for the boxes here, count how many you have, and show that number. Question 3, how many spiders are in the house? So you want to find the spiders in the house and show that many right here. Question 4, how many beetles are in the house? So you want to look for these little critters right here and show how many here. You're going to count and show how many here. How many scorpions are in the house? Another little critter. Let's get a good look of what that critter looks like. There it is, right there. So you want to look for those things in the house. Once you're done, you're ready to move on to the next page. Okay, your paper looks like this. I apologize for this extra stuff on that side. But your paper looks like this, where you see the symbol of somebody throwing a ball, and also you see bowling balls. Let's go to the question. Some days we play dodgeball. That's this right here. Other days we get to bowl. Those are your bowling balls. Count the number of dodgeballs. Once again, some days we play dodgeball, other days we get to bowl. Count the number of dodgeballs. You only want to count dodgeballs. Once you finish counting the dodgeballs, you write the number here in the blank so that your sentence will read, there are, whatever your number here, dodgeballs. Let's move on to the next question. I apologize for the extra writing there. The question asks, which picture shows more? So they're talking about this one or this one. No need to look at this yet. Let's just stay here with this rectangle here. This is number 1. So which picture shows more? This picture or this picture? You can either circle your result or you can put a check to whichever answer you choose. Which picture shows more? This one or that one? Okay, let's move on to number 2. Keep in mind you're looking at this rectangle here. The question asks, which picture shows less? So you're looking at this number of circles or this number of circles. Which one is less? When you choose your answer, you're either going to circle your result or you're going to check off your result. It doesn't matter for Miss Jones, but you need to show me which one is less. Not more, but less. Let's move on. Never mind that. Okay. Same kind of questions. You want to look at this row and this row. There's an A and a B, but you want to keep in mind that this is what you're going to look at to figure out your answer. The question reads, which picture shows more? Is it this picture or is it this picture? Which one shows more? Circle your result or you can put a check next to your result. Okay, let's look at this group of pictures. Which picture shows less? This group or that group? The one on the top or the one at the bottom? You can either circle your group of pictures that shows less or you can check off one of those boxes. But I would like to see you show which picture shows less. All right, let's move on to the next one. Same kind of question, but keep in mind you're only looking at these things right here. Which picture shows more? This group or this group? Which picture shows more? This group or this group? Again, you want to circle or you want to check off. It doesn't matter to Miss Jones. Let's see if you have any more. Yes. Okay, same kind of questions. Which picture shows more? This group ice cream cones or this group? Which group shows more? You're going to circle it or put a check beside to show which group, which picture shows more. Okay, let's look at this group of rectangles here. Which picture shows less? This group or that group? Which picture shows less? Okay, let's move on. And actually, that's the end. So once you are done, once again, as Miss Jones always reminds you, is please review your work, look back over it. Anything that you don't understand that I have done, you want to rewind and then make sure you listen carefully again. Once you're done, you want to put your pencils and all the rest of your tools away. And you want to make sure Miss Jones gets your math practice packet. And the only way I can get that it is that you need to put it in the finished box. Thank you so much. And I do appreciate all of your efforts and hope that you have expressed all of your success through your math practice packet. Thank you.